Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we have completed exercise 4b in which you have learned how you can add or subtract rational numbers. Now in today's class we are starting exercise 4c in which you will learn to multiply or divide rational numbers. So let's start with the question number 1. First question is multiply. Second part is you want to multiply minus 7 upon 10 by 5 upon 8. Now you will check whether the numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number. Yes, this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 5. So cut them. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what you are having with minus 7 multiply 1 in numerator, 2 multiply 8 in denominator. So what is it? 7 ones are 7 of minus sign. 8 twos are 16. So this is your answer. Next part, fourth part is multiply minus 9 upon 13 by 65 upon minus 3. Now this denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 fives are 65. Similarly, this minus 3 and this minus 9 both are divisible by minus 3, or you can say 3. So cut them with 3. 3 ones are 3 of minus sign. 3 threes are 9 of minus sign. So what you have now? In numerator you have minus 3 multiply 5, and in denominator you have 1 multiply minus 1, which means 3 fives are 15 of minus sign, 1 ones are 1 of minus sign. Minus to minus cancel out. So this is also equals to 15 upon 1, which can be written as 15. Because 15 upon 1 means we are dividing by 1, which is also equals to 15. So this is your answer. Next question, again you will multiply this minus 9 upon 7 by minus 14. This denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 7. So cut them. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 of minus sign. So what you are getting now? Minus 9 multiply minus 2, and in denominator we have 1. Now if we will multiply this minus 9 and minus 2, 9 twos are 18. And minus sign is occurring even number of times. So we will get plus, right? Because minus minus plus. This is equals to 18 upon 1, and which is also equals to 18. This is your answer. Next question, multiply minus 48 by 7 upon minus 16. This 16, this denominator and this numerator 48 both are divisible by 16. So cut them. 16 ones are 16 of minus sign. 16 threes are 48, right, of minus sign. So you are getting in numerator minus 3 multiply 7, and in denominator minus 1. Multiply the numerator. 3 sevens are 21 of minus sign upon minus 1. Minus to minus cancel out. So this is 21 upon 1, and you can also write it as 21. This is your answer. Next question, question number 3. Simplify and express the result as rational number in standard form. First of all, you need to understand what do you mean by standard form. Standard form means numerator and denominator should not be divisible by any same number. That means they should be in lowest form, like 2 upon 3. Numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number except 1. So this is in standard form. Second, denominator can never be negative number in standard form. This cannot be standard form. Why? Because denominator is negative. So to write it into the standard form, you will multiply the denominator as well as numerator by minus 1. So you will get minus 2 upon 3. Right? 2 upon minus 3 is also equals to minus 2 upon 3, and this is the standard form. Clear? So while writing in standard form, make sure numerator and denominator should not be divisible by any same number, and denominator should not be negative. I have also explained this topic in fundamental video, that means in introduction video. You can check from there, right? So let's see how we can solve this question. Minus 115 upon 28 multiply minus 49 upon 69. Now this denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 7. So cut them. 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49 of minus sign. This numerator 115 and this denominator 69 are also divisible by 23. 23 3s are 69, 23 5s are 115, and this will be of negative sign. Simple. So what it becomes now? In numerator you have minus 5 multiply minus 7, and in denominator you have 4 multiply 3. 5 7s are 35. Minus sign is occurring even number of times. It means minus minus plus. So this will be of plus sign. Denominator is 4 3s are 12. Now students, numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number, and denominator is positive. So this is in standard form. In standard form you will not write it into the mixed. This is an improper now, but still you will not write it into the mix. You will leave it like this. This is your answer. Next question, fourth part. Minus 39 upon 3 multiply 19 upon 5 multiply minus 45 upon 38. Now if you observe, this 19 and this 38 both are divisible by 19. So cut them. 19 ones are 19, 19 2s are 38. Similarly, this 5 and this 45 minus 45 both are divisible by 5. So cut them. 5 ones are 5, 5 9s are 45 of minus sign. This 3 and this 39, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 of minus sign. So what you are getting? In numerator you are getting minus 13 multiply 1 multiply minus 9, and in denominator you just have 2. Multiply them. 13 9s are 117, and this will be of plus sign because minus and minus sign are occurring even number of times. Minus minus plus ho jayega, right? So denominator is 2. So this is in standard form because numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number, and denominator is positive. Next question number 4 is simplify. First part is 11 upon 8 multiply minus 9 plus minus 3 upon 4 multiply 5 upon 6. Students, this is 18, right? Now this 9 and this 18 both are divisible by 9. So cut them. 9 1s are 9 of minus sign, 9 2s are 18. This 3 and this 6 both are divisible by 3. So cut them. 3 1s are 3 of minus sign, 3 2s are 6. So here you are getting 11 multiply minus 1 upon 2 and plus minus 1 multiply 5 upon 4 multiply 2. Now solve them. 11 1s are 11 of minus sign upon 2 plus minus minus 5 1s are 5 upon 4 2s are 8. Denominators are different, so you will take the LCM of these denominators. LCM of 2 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. So the LCM is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So LCM is 8. Now you want to make it 8. So with which number you will multiply it? 2 4s are 8. So multiply this numerator also by 4. This is already 8. So no need to multiply with any number. So what it becomes? 11 4s are 44 of minus sign minus 5. Sign of both the numerators are same. So these will be added. 44 plus 5 is 49. And sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 8. So this is your answer. Next part, part 3. Firstly, according to BODMAS, we solve the brackets this, right? So when you will solve minus 3 upon 2 multiply 4 upon 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, you will get minus 3 multiply 2 upon 1 multiply 5. It means 3 2s are 6 of minus sign upon 5. So its value is minus 6 upon 5. Similarly, solve this part. Plus in bracket 9 upon 5 multiply minus 10 upon 3. This 3 and this 9 both are divisible by 3. Cut them. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 of minus sign. So here we have 3 multiply minus 2 upon 1 multiply 1. So this is 3 2s are 6 of minus sign upon 1. So put here in place of this, because after calculating this we are getting minus 6 upon 1. Minus, solve the third part, this third term, 1 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 4. Numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number. So simply multiply numerator with numerator, 3 1s are 3, and denominator with denominator, 2 4s are 8. So after solving this term, we are getting 3 upon 8. Now simply open the bracket, minus 6 upon 5. Outside the bracket we have plus sign here. So the sign of the number will not change. It means this will remain minus 6 upon 1. And you can also say that plus minus minus. Third bracket 3 upon 8. Now denominators are different. So take the LCM of these denominators. When you will take the LCM of these denominators, you will get 40. Now to make this 540, you will multiply it by 8. Right? So multiply numerator also by 8. To make this 40, you will multiply it by 40. So multiply this also by 40, because 40 1s are 40 now. To multiply this 840, you will multiply it by 5. So multiply this also by 5. Now solve it. 6 8s are 48 of minus sign, minus 6 multiply 40 is 240, minus 3 5s are 15. Clear? Sign of all the numerators are same. All have negative sign. So these will be added. Add them. 48 plus 240 plus 15. 5 plus 8 13. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 2 plus 1 3. So here you are getting minus 303 and denominator is 40. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 4. Remaining parts you will practice yourself. In next class we will start with the question number 5. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.